This 2010 Coachmen Freedom Express LTZ 170RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen is 20 feet 6 inches in length and features self-contained, awning, refrigerator, air conditioning, oven, external shower, water heater, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, microwave. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2010 Coachmen Freedom Express LTZ 170RB is 3,166 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.